An open kitchen concept beautifully merges a dining room and living area, creating a spacious and inviting environment. In smaller homes, this blend is essential for achieving the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. By prioritizing your needs, you can create a harmonious kitchen-living room combo that reflects both style and practicality. To inspire your next room makeover journey, here are 10 creative ideas for small kitchen living room combinations. And be sure to subscribe for more engaging content like this. 10. Present it as a whole. When you want to show your room as a whole, you can avoid decorating them to look easily noticeable for most parts. It can help you to stop comparing the kitchen and the living room, as they have many things in common. This picture looks pretty much the same overall from the wooden floor, table, and wall, as they have earthy tones applied. There are no bright colors found in one room, as it goes with a similar shade of hues. It also appears simple but reasonably organized. 9. Set a border. Since it's a combo room, a divider can be a border in the room just if you need to make it clear of its line. A carpet doesn't only offer texture, but it helps set a clear border between the rooms. When setting the table, make sure there's still some space left for you to walk in between the kitchen cabinet and the chairs, and the other way around. The cabinet or kitchen appliance doors should have a free room that makes them easy to open. It would be a nightmare if the space is too tight and the doors would bump things around them. Number 8. Relocate the table. If a table seems like too much for a combo room, you might want to consider having a movable one. Once you have done with your meal, you can move it somewhere to free up your valuable space. Or you can try to limit furniture there. For example, you could change the sofa with a table and chairs that are smaller. It would be a simple way to create some new space in your compact kitchen living room. Number 7. Layout new setting. The layout of a kitchen will influence the function of your space a lot. You can take advantage of it by arranging the seating area next to the kitchen. This way, you will have a long space left that's jam-free. You still have plenty of room to go in and out of the kitchen and living room. The island also gives you some more advantages by taking some overhang to tuck some chairs in, making it much more orderly. The aisle leaves the space to look airy. A high-traffic kitchen needs such a setting to make the task more comfortable to carry. Number 6. Easy cleaning concept. A seating area can offer a room divider when choosing not to include a carpet in a combo room. Easy cleaning could be why you can reach part under the table, or a dust-free space as it doesn't pile on the rug. The wooden table doesn't seem likely to interrupt your traffic to the kitchen at all. Some stools are also available just in case you have a visit from guests or friends. Number 5. Don't block the light. When working in the kitchen, you would expect everything runs as you want or design it. You can spot where the things are, and most importantly, it doesn't get blocked while you're standing there preparing meals. The idea of positioning lamps right above the dining table has the same purpose, brightening the table up. By doing so, you can see what you have on your plate. It will make the meal served to look much more appetizing too. Number 4. Create cohesion. Positioning the kitchen where it can receive natural light sounds like a plan. You don't need artificial light during the day because natural light is enough already. It means you can save some electricity bills as you don't use it too often and long. Besides, turning lights on wouldn't help much, and it could blind you instead. Another thing that deserves to pay attention to is cohesion. It should be part of the room that's supposed to create harmony. It would appear when you can arrange things coordinately. If there's no divider in between, the sofa could face another direction instead of the kitchen. Number 3, double in functionality. Deciding what furniture to install in your room means you must consider how ample or spacious space is first. When it's small enough, you might want to create a divider instead of having a dining table. This mini table came as a solution to separate the rooms. For example, it also is high enough that people in the next room wouldn't be able to see what you're doing in the kitchen. It won't be a problem if the sofa is facing the kitchen since you have a divider. The sofa didn't block either air or light coming through the window adjacent to it. It's the right placement as you can enjoy watching TV from that angle. Number 2, simplicity is key. Harmony is when everything is well arranged and no part ruins the main idea or makes the space appear awkward. This room feels reasonably roomy and spacious, although it's not that big. Simplicity is everything when it comes to small kitchen living room ideas. This room looks clean and organized without much embellishment found, such as TV and sofa. You will get some additional space when you limit things inside it, as it shows here. Only put what's necessary, as space wouldn't hold that much. Even if it does, it won't show a good result. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1, clutter-free your space. A clutter-free space is a must-include feature in a combo room concept. You may obtain it by leaving the furniture against the wall. Not only is it a smart idea, but it is also a straightforward way to order a limited room. You wouldn't have thought this brilliant idea of installing a mini rack on a wall would solve numerous tiny room storage-related issues. It gives you a new solutions offer that you can apply to your room. Be smart when dealing with a small kitchen-living room combo by first identifying what options you have and can do to arrange the space neatly and beautifully. Done! Conclusion: creating a harmonious kitchen-living room combination is essential, especially in smaller spaces where every square centimeter counts. By focusing on aesthetics and functionality, you can transform your area into a welcoming environment that meets your needs. As explored in the 10 innovative ideas shared, strategies like presenting the space as a cohesive whole, utilizing smart dividers, and ensuring easy access can significantly enhance your design. The importance of light, simplicity, and maintaining a clutter-free space cannot be overstated. By incorporating these principles, you ensure your home remains not only stylish, but practical and inviting. As you embark on your room makeover journey, remember that thoughtful planning and creativity are your best tools. Stay tuned for more design tips and inspiration, and don't forget to subscribe to keep the ideas flowing. With the right approach, you'll create a stunning living area that perfectly reflects your personal taste and caters to your lifestyle. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.